Certainly. Here's a revised version focused on how to lose body fat and achieve a leaner physique. By the end of this article, you will know how to effectively lose body fat and achieve a leaner, healthier body. Losing body fat requires a combination of proper nutrition, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Here's how you can achieve your goals. 1. Calorie deficit To lose body fat, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. Calculate your daily caloric needs and create a modest calorie deficit through diet and exercise. 2. Healthy diet Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol intake. 3. Regular exercise Incorporate both cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or swimming and strength training in weights or bodyweight exercises. Cardio burns calories, while strength training builds muscle, which boosts your metabolism. 4. Stay consistent Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining a healthy body fat percentage. Set realistic goals and establish a routine that you can maintain over time. 5. Hydration Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's natural processes, including fat metabolism. 6. Monitor progress Track your progress with measurements, photos, or journaling. Celebrate your achievements and adjust your plan as needed to continue making progress. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring articles, just like this one. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dimetize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a discussion on losing body fat effectively. Remember, losing body fat takes time and dedication. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall health and well-being.